much for tuning back in. I am back with another video because now I am here with the 1 year, yes, 1 year update of the Yummy Soft Kinks hair that I bought last year, April, in their, I think they had like a Black Friday and April sale. Either which way, they had a really good sale last year, April, and it was probably Feaster. And I was graduating in that May, so I was like, I need some hair. I need some good hair. You know, let me live it up, give me my graduation gift to myself. So I said, let me buy some Yummy hair. And I bought 2 bundles of the Yummy Soft Kinks in 24 inches. I think these are either 22 or 24, but I think they're 24. I'll annotate all the information below so you guys will have all the accurate information. But this is their Soft Kinks texture, and this is only 2 bundles and a closure. Now the closure is not from Yummy Extensions. I got this closure from Intense Beauty. This is raw hair that has been steam processed to get these curls, just to let you guys know. And as you can see, I did add some color to it. I will show you photos of how the hair was like in its natural state when I first got it, up until when I bleached it and got these nice little highlights, little golden goddess Goldilocks thing going on. And as you can see, or as you will see in those photos, the consistency of the curl pattern has stayed true. Like, these curls never went away through that processing, and I processed this with 40 volume developer and bleach. Y'all know if this was some lower quality hair, my curl pattern would have been ruined, but it was not. Like, this Yummy hair stuck it out. And as you guys can see, this hair is super full 1 year later. And like I said, just 2 bundles. Just 2 bundles. I actually bought 3 bundles and only ended up using 2, which is why I was so mad. I had a whole, like basically a whole bundle left. I didn't bring it with me. I'm sorry, I should have. I completely forgot. But I was so surprised because this hair is so long, so I expected the bundles to be a lot smaller. Didn't expect this hair to be this big. When this hair dries, this is going to be like out here. It's going to be crazy. I'll show you guys a picture of that as well as of how big it gets. But this hair gets uncontrollable. Like, I need to raise some of this down, okay? Like, summer is coming. I really want to be able to wear this hair in this color, but like, this is just going to be too big for me. But let me tell you, hands down, this is actually the absolute best curly hair that I've ever had in my life. Yummy did not send me this hair. Like I said, I bought this hair with my own money. Yummy did not sponsor this video. Yummy did not ask me to make this video. Nothing. Yummy had no hand in this video whatsoever. I am telling you guys, the God honest truth, y'all know I don't be up here lying for nobody. I don't know nobody's paying me to do this, to lie for them. No, none of that. This is the best curly hair that I've ever had in my life, and I will tell you guys why. Number 1, this hair barely tangles, and when it does tangle, it's not even like real tangling. It's like the curls will lock together in the nape. The curls will lock together, and then you could easily just take that locking out with your hands by going through your hands. Like, I've been out all day in the hot summer with this hair, and the curls did lock in the back of my nape. However, once I run my fingers through it, like, it just falls away, and it's like, this is unreal, especially for some tight, kinky, curly hair like this. That is just unbelievable to me, okay? I've tossed this hair around in my back trunk. This has been in my back trunk for like weeks on end. I haven't co-washed this or shampooed this or anything on top of that in so long. And each time I've done that like twice. One being just yesterday, just revived it yesterday. And the last time was like probably like sometime around last year. But for each time this hair comes back to life like nothing ever happened, okay? You will get some shedding when you detangle it, but it's nothing crazy because like I said, this is a whole lot of hair, so it requires some, you know, sitting down a little bit and doing some thorough detangling. So you will get some shedding, and on top of that, I bleach my hair, so I'm gonna get some shedding, but it's nothing crazy at all. I would show you guys some pictures of like the amount of shedding that I would get detangling this entire hair thoroughly, but Oh my god, like I never thought this kind of hair would be so low maintenance. Like this hair doesn't need much at all. Once you co-wash it like every week and like you freshen up the curls a little bit, because like I said, it does get big, so if you want that wet look, you're gonna have to freshen up the curls quite often, or like put some curling cream, some heavy duty curling cream on it to keep it like nice and tame. But this hair does not need much to look absolutely great at all. Like I cannot rave enough about this hair. And like I said, this is 1 year later. 1 year later, and this hair still looks amazing. It still behaves amazingly. It still doesn't give me any problems. It's still this full, which means like the hair hasn't been shedding excessively or anything. The wefts are still intact. The wefts are immaculate. Like, come on, y'all. Like, if you're looking for some high quality kinky curly hair, Yummy Soft Kinks is my first recommendation, hands down. For hair, period, my #1 hair store is Yummy. I've had multiple textures from them, and if you're not pinching on price, I would say go with Yummy all the way. Like, this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, look at this. You guys can tell that this is a lot of hair because I can't even get all of the hair to one side. Like, I still have a whole bunch just like sitting here. I can't even get all the hair to one side. So yeah, people always love this hair on me. They love this color, and so do I. But like I said, I just have to tame it a bit more. Like, give it some shape, give it some layering, you know, make it a little less big. But yeah, you really don't need 3 bundles of this, especially if you're getting shorter lengths. So if you're getting shorter lengths, just get your 2 bundles and a closure, or 2 bundles and a frontal, and just be on your merry way and be happy. But this hair, absolutely beautiful, so soft, so gorgeous, so manageable. It's gonna last you. The longevity on this hair is amazing. This is the first time I can say, I think it's probably the first time that I've worn hair consistently throughout a whole year. I've constantly went back to this wig, constantly, but this hair was one of my absolute best investments. Absolutely. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.